Hello guys, this is Rajiv. Today you're going to discover the effing truth, the freaking truth, something about improving in games and in life or something else. Mostly when you're gaming, I can show you my stats. Here you go. As you can see, my matches are 1020 and top 3 are 627 and MVP are 358. Kills are 16k, KD is 2.09, accuracy is 20%. So I'm well qualified to say these tips and tricks. So let's do this. Um, when my mood is on high, I can play very well. When my mood is so low, I can play an average game. But also, I improved. So how I improved, I will tell you. And I met very good team supporting team members in randoms. So there are three steps for improving. Number one is every game has basics. Learn basics. How to aim. I'm not going to tell those guys who tell you can win any game with this. No, you can't win. You cannot win any game at the start. You first need to improve. First, you're gonna see losers. Then you're gonna see where the enemies. You're going to understand the maps in any game. Understand the maps. Understanding is the key role for improving. You have an attitude of not understanding, I know it all, I can play well, then you will never improve. Then remember this thing, nobody is best. Everybody is still improving every day. Improvement is the key, nobody knows it all. So I'm improving so I can tell these tips. So always try to improve. Improvisation. Make your own strategies. They are not only fixed strategies like rushing and camping, you can combine them, or else you can leave those at all. You can use sniper in a close range like marksman rifle. You can turn an SMG into an AR. You can turn a sniper into an, you know, marksman rifle like the Kilo with the new gunsmith update. That's why I love COD. It's the biggest update. You can create virtually any strategy you want. This will improve your mindset and brains. And the more strategies you make, the more mistakes you'll make, the more success you get. If you succeed in your strategy, you can use that. And this is a fast-paced game, so you can think very fast by going on time. So, the second tip is leave your anger. It doesn't matter. Leave your rage. It doesn't matter. And leave your ego. Meaning, after improvement, you'll see many like those guys very toxic. If they don't get first or don't get MVP, they'll always complain on others. You stole my kills, you did that, so I didn't got the MVP. They don't accept. You never get an MVP. So you need to earn it by objective or kills. That doesn't matter. MVP doesn't matter. It means in the end of the game you won or not. What is your role in it? Did you improve? Yes or no? If not, then improve it. If you died many times, then improve it. And moving on to aiming, actual aiming skills. There are no courses, no nothing. Just there, everything depends on your device holding position. I hold my device in a way very comfortably for my hands. I'm a 4 finger club player. I basically keep my phone end at the middle of my hand, catch with my middle finger and support it with ring finger, and same with the right side. I use my right thumb to aim. I use my left index finger for jumping, crouching, ADSing, left index finger for firing, and the thumb, left thumb for moving. So as the hold your phone actually good position. If you don't hold your position, your aim will be very crappy. Just believe me. I just realized this 2 or 3 days ago. It's really the truth. Just by holding your phone makes a lot of difference. Find your comfortable position. Don't let your fingers strain. Okay? Don't let your fingers strain or do not tension. Why? It's just a game. If you improve in this, you can improve in life. Because same principles allow there. So let's repeat it. First one, learn the game. There are many courses, like virtual classes. Like virtual classes, there are YouTube videos who really play well. You can observe them, you can see their gameplay and how they are aiming, not their fingers, their gameplay. Because their controls are very different, so you don't want their controls, you want your controls. If they can aim faster, you too can aim faster with 2 fingers just by practice. Coming to number 2 is leave your ego and anger. I said it before, I'm saying it again. Really, those guys are not worth living or playing the game. But they are everywhere. But when you are positive, you will meet the positive people in your life. I really met my randoms. They are very positive, they are very supportive, no ego issues, no nothing, no anger. They support me, I support them. Very nice teamwork. Very, very nice teamwork. I couldn't stop appreciating them because, some things help, some things don't, some things work. We have to learn. Your life is short, we have to learn more. It's a lot process, but eventually you can make it. We can make it, of course. So, extra tip. Not extra tip, but it's a real tip. Find somebody in the world chat. Call of Duty has world chat. Very helpful. Everyone will be online right there. You can ask, don't keep, I need a teammate. No, not small sentences. Give biggest sentence so they'll stop and read what did you emphasize or type. Like, hey, I'm looking for a teammate. Want to support you. No anger issues. Very supportive. We can push together. We can be friendly. Just big para. Like 2 or 3 4 lines. It can support, world chat can support it. Then they'll stop by and look at your chat and they'll read it through. If someone is like you or want to play with you or support you like you, will contact you and will play with you like I did in the world chat. I met very good people, very nice people. So do that so you can increase more connections. The more the connections, the more the game you'll know. With their game style I know a lot. I can, with their game style I can win. If I play 10 matches without teamwork, we can win 7 of them for damn sure. We can't win all of them because nobody wins all of them. When teamwork is nice, you can win 7 out of 10 matches. It's the damn truth. No matter how good you play, no matter how bad they play. Teamwork, support is essential if you want to play rank. And the last tip, you really want to improve, you improve your aim, you improve your game sense, okay. You want to go to the next level of gaming. Play rank every single time when you don't have a mood. Yeah, everyone plays rank for pushing the tires, not pushing for tires. Just push your tire to legendary, then play it like you always did. You always want to go to legendary tire. You always want to you want to make it to the top. Play it like that with that mindset and with the same people you form as a team, so that you know you'll improve a lot better. Your mirror neurons in your brain will copy their stats, and you use your stats. You can make new strategies. My voice is, okay. You can make new strategies with them using your mirror neurons. And a most beautiful tip: stay consistent, not addicted. Understood? Stay consistent, not addicted. I will show you. I have a timer in my app timer which calculates my gameplay. I used to play 6 hours a day. So yesterday I reduced it to 3 hours 41 minutes. I will show you right now. This is very useful app. I don't know the app name, but I went into Play Store. I want to app timer or something. See, I actually reduced my sessions. I actually play 20 minutes and take 4 or 5 minutes break. It's essential right now, or else your brain is going to pop with that hit. Pop, 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 like a popcorn. Man, you really need this timer. I suggest it. Thanks for watching. These are all the tips you want to improve. Just stay consistent, not addicted, and follow the tips. You will definitely improve in game and in life.